Today, I would like to give you all an overview of our new website on dbamarketingpros.com. So when you actually enter into the website, you will see a rebranded logo where we focus on helping you make your mark in the community with branding, marketing, advertising, and web development. And so if you want to actually view some of our projects, you'll have a quick glimpse of one of our animation videos which shares some of the projects we've done in different softwares. And also you have a 3-step process of how we usually handle every new potential client that we run into. You can also see details about some of our values and information regarding what we have done in North Carolina specifically. And we also have a list of our top main services where you can click and find out more about each service and what we actually have to offer. As you continue, you'll be able to see what specific industries we focus on serving the most, and definitely don't limit our services to these industries. We're open to serving, but these are the main ones that we actually spend the most time with. And we have some listings of some clients we previously served, and we also have our top packages that people usually tend to actually select about our company. And here you also see some of the logos, websites, and social media content we've built. And we also have a community voice section where you can see a lot of our Google reviews that tells a lot of feedback that people have, clients who have worked with us, got their own personal experience and what they like most about us. And yeah, you can view some of those reviews as well. Those will constantly be updated. And we also have a section where if you want to find out more about us and our company, or you may need some help with the project yourself, you can contact us in the forum as well. And we also have an Our Story section where if you want to learn a little bit more about our company and how we actually got started, you can view here of how the company began altogether. So that's the Our Story section. And if you want to, you can go to the services pages and you can see the top services that we have to offer and learn a little bit more about those services and what we provide and how we actually help other businesses overall. Each one of these will be our main services, so you can go page by page and select which service is most beneficial for you. We also have a portfolio section which we're continuously adding to. We have to update some more information here, but it shows some of the projects we may have recently worked on, some of the things we may have recently completed, like logos, websites, and social media content. So you can get an overview of that. And you also have a facts section. If you have questions, we have the top most common questions up here that people actually ask about our company before usually working with us. So if you need to get clarity on anything, you can go here as well. And this year, we've actually included a great referral program. So you can learn more about their referral program. If you ever want to recommend a friend, a family member, or a colleague, you can actually go here and complete a form and refer and be able to get a reward for your referral. So we have a great referral program that many people are taking advantage of. And we also have blog section where you can learn a little bit more about what we do, the blogging, the content, information, industry, latest information that's relevant to your industry, that may be answering questions regarding marketing, advertising, and branding. We have a load of blogs here. Even some of them talk about the testimonials of how we help some of our clients get a new lead through different sections such as Google rankings, SEO, pay-per-click advertising. So the blogs will talk about everything dealing with marketing, website, and branding all together. So we call it the tidbits because we want to keep it short, simple, and understandable. So last but not least, if you love to get in contact with us, you can just click the contact button and you can reach out, give us a phone call, engage with us even on social media. And also we will be able to have you fill out your contact information, and we'll definitely receive that and contact you ASAP. So if you have time, we would love to hear your feedback and about your website, whether you think a new recommendation will benefit our site. Please share it anywhere, any channel. You can email me, give me a phone call, or you can also share any not so good feedback. The not so good feedback is what actually helps us grow and develop and to think outside the box. So we're open to hearing any type of feedback you have for us, but we look forward to you enjoying our website and us having a prosperous year working together with you specifically. So thank you so much, and hope you have a wonderful day.